Hello, this is Mrs. Ross, and I'm going to be out for a few days, so I'll be making these videos for what we're doing in class. The cool thing is today we have an hour in class, which is great. So I don't know if you guys have started the lab that's in the science lab. I don't think you have, but you have the entire hour today to work on that lab. So let me show you what we're going to do. The properties of matter science lab stations. In the science lab, you're welcome to work in groups. Let's take a look at that. So to access that lab, some of the items you can access on the computer. There's the notes, there's the property of matter song. Here is the lab. So this is where you'll turn it in if you, well, you guys are doing it on paper, so you'll turn it into your box, so never mind that. But these are directions that should kind of help. I went over these directions, but it's been a few days. So this is just kind of helpful stuff that kind of tells you what you need to do. Here's a video tutorial on how to use the triple beam balance. This is the student response sheet. In case you've lost yours, you can print that. And then from here, you can do the summarize, interpret, and extend stations. You can also do the challenge station from here. The other stations you'll have to do in the science lab. I'm hoping that, since we haven't started this lab yet, you should be able to get, I would say, 3 stations done at the very least today in an hour. So please make sure that you focus. Please make sure that if you do choose to work in a group, that it is a group that it will be successful. If your group is going to be distracting, you need to go ahead and do this on your own. You don't have to be in a group. So if you have any questions about this lab, feel free to email me. And it's not due until, I believe, the end of class on Monday. So you'll have some more time to work on it even then. All right, have a great day. Let me know if you have any questions.